Hello students, here is the question. A person is swimming with a speed of 10 meter per second at an angle of 120 with the flow and reaches to a point directly opposite on the other side of the river. The speed of the flow is x meter per second. The value of x to the nearest integer is. So let us look at the diagram over here. We have a person on this side and he is moving with the speed of 10 meter per second as it indicated by the arrow and at angle of 120 degrees to the flow. Now the flow we are considering is this direction and 120 degrees makes this direction, that is 10 meter per second, at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal line over here, and it is told that he reaches the point directly opposite to this point over here, meaning if you draw a horizontal line he will be at the tip on the other end, and we are told that this x is the speed of the flow. So what we do is we can say that the swimmer is actually cancelling out the flows component on him by swimming in this direction perfectly. Now over here 10 is the speed over here. With its horizontal and vertical component, the horizontal becomes this direction and the vertical becomes this direction. If the person has to reach the point directly opposite on the other end, he has to swim in that direction itself, meaning he has to swim in perfectly 90-degree angle to his current position, meaning over here, and thus it implies that this component, the vertical component of the swimmer, should cancel out the flow of the river, speed of the flow of the river. So 10 sine 30 should be able to counteract the exact flow or the velocity of the river, and that when we equate them we get the value of the river to be equal to 5 meter per second. Thank you.